Memes are cultural symbols and social ideas that spread virally, primarily through the internet. They make us laugh, think, and sometimes even cry. How do we navigate the memosphere without any online faux pas?
Manners on the go.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Manners on the Go. Today we're going into the world of memes, the lifeblood of the internet. They make us laugh, think, and sometimes even cry. But with great memes comes great responsibility. So how do we navigate the memosphere without any online faux pas? First, let's understand what memes are. Memes are cultural symbols and social ideas that spread virally, primarily through the internet. They're a form of social commentary, often humorous, but they can also be satirical or educational. While memes are a great way to express ourselves, it's important to remember that context matters. What's funny to one person might be offensive to another. Always consider the audience and the platform before sharing a meme. In the age of memes, it's easy to forget that there are real people behind the screens. Respecting different perspectives is crucial. What might be a harmless joke to you could be hurtful to someone else. So how can we be mindful? Number one, know your audience. Customize your memes and posts to your audience. What's acceptable among friends might not be suitable for a professional setting. Number two, avoid sensitive topics. Steer clear of memes that touch on sensitive issues like race, religion, gender, or even personal tragedies. These can easily be misunderstood or offensive. Number three, think before you share. Use the acronym THINK before hitting post. Is it true, helpful, inspiring, necessary, kind? If you're unsure about a meme's impact, take a moment to think. When in doubt, leave it out. Now let's talk about positive online interactions. We can all agree that social media can be a wonderful place to connect, share, and learn. Let me share some tips for maintaining good manners online. First, engage respectfully. I had this conversation with a sister a few days ago. Must everyone comment on everything? No, it's okay to scroll past things that don't resonate with you. Please, friend, whether you're commenting on a post or responding to a message, always be respectful. Number two, give credit. If you're sharing a meme or any content that isn't yours, always give credit to the original creator. It's a simple way to show respect and appreciation for their work. Three, be authentic. Be yourself online, but also be kind. Note this, authenticity builds trust, but kindness keeps the conversation going. Indeed, we slip off in our online interactions sometimes. Maybe you shared a meme without thinking or offending someone unintentionally. Here's what to do. Acknowledge and apologize. If someone points out a problem with your post, acknowledge their feelings and apologize sincerely. A simple, "I'm sorry I didn't mean to offend you" can go a long way. Learn and move on. Take the feedback as a learning opportunity. Understand why the post was problematic and avoid similar mistakes in the future. Then move forward. Have I said something you liked today? Be respectful with your memes. Thank you for joining Manners on the Go. Remember, the internet can be a fun and enriching place if we all practice good etiquette and respect each other. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And leave a comment below with your thoughts on online etiquette. Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, stay classy and kind. See you again. Goodbye.
Manners on the go.